Hi everyone, welcome to Easy Learn. This is Usha. Let's see second problem. Check whether the first polynomial is a factor of second polynomial by dividing the second polynomial by first polynomial. Here, first polynomial is the divisor and second polynomial is the dividend. To check whether the given polynomial is factor of the other polynomial, we should get the remainder as 0. Let us check whether we will get the remainder as 0 or not. Okay, by dividing. To divide any two polynomials, first we have to check whether the given polynomials are in standard form or not. Let us observe whether the given polynomials are in standard form or not. Here, t square minus 3. T term is missing, right? So we can write it as t square minus or plus 0 into t minus 3 is the divisor and the dividend is in standard form. So 2t power 4 plus 3 into t power 3, here this is small letter, minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. Clear? Now let us divide. 2t power 4 by t square equal to 2t power 2. That is the quotient, first term of the quotient. Now multiply whole divisor with 2t square. T square into 2t square will become 2t to the power of 4. 0t into 2t square will become 0t power 3. Clear? Minus 3 into 2t square will become minus 6t square. Clear? We have to write like terms under each other. Let's subtract. For that, change the signs. Plus 2t square minus 2t square will get cancelled. Plus 3t cube minus 0t cube will become 3 plus 3t cube. Here minus 2t square plus 6t square will become plus 4t square minus 90 minus 12. We have to bring down those two terms. Now first term is 3t cube by t square. What will be the quotient we get? Plus 3t. Now multiply whole divisor with 3t. T square into 3t will become 3t cube. 0 into 3t will become 0 t square. Minus 3 into 3t will become minus 9t. Now change the signs. Plus 3t cube minus 3t cube will get cancelled. 4t square minus 0t square will become 4t square. So here 0t it will become, this term will become 0, right? So 0t minus 12. Now what is the first term? 4t square by t square will give 4. That we have to write here. Plus 4. So t square into 4, 4t square. 0t into 4 plus 0t minus 3 into plus 4 minus 12. So if we subtract, all will get cancelled, right? So we got the remainder as 0. Therefore, by factors theorem, we can say if the remainder is 0, the divisor is the factor of dividend. Therefore, t square minus 3 is a factor of two t power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. Clear? Right. Let's see second bit. So these two polynomials are in standard form. So we can directly divide. We are dividing 3x to the power of 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2 with x square plus 3x plus 1. So x square plus 3x plus 1 is the divisor, and 3x to the power of 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2 is the dividend. Now to get the first term of the quotient, 3x to the power of 4 by x square will give 3x square. So this 3x square we have to write in the place of quotient. Multiply whole divisor with 3x square. That means each term of the divisor with 3x square. X square into 3x square, 3x to the power of 4 plus 3x into 3x square plus 3 into 3, 9, x to the power of 3 plus 1 into 3x square plus 3x square. Right? Now subtract. Both will get cancelled. Plus 5x cube minus 9x cube will become minus 4x cube. Minus 7x square minus 3x square will become minus 10x square. Bring down the other two terms. Plus 2x plus 2. Now what is the first term? Minus 4x cube by x square will become minus 4x. That we have to write in the place of quotient. Now multiply whole divisor with minus 4x. X square into minus 4x minus 4x cube plus 3x into minus 4x minus 12x square plus 1 into minus 4x minus 4x. Now change the signs. Both will get cancelled. Minus 10x square minus plus 12x square will become 2x square. 2x plus 4x will become 6x. Bring down 2. Clear? Now 2x square by x square. 2x square by x square will give 2. Write in the place of quotient. Now multiply whole divisor with 2. X square into 2, 2x square plus 3x into 2 plus 6x plus 1 into 2 plus 2. Now subtract. For that, change the signs. Both will get cancelled. Here also, here also. We got the remainder as 0. So if the remainder is 0, by factors theorem we can say the remainder is 0. Divisor is the factor of dividend. Therefore, x square plus 3x plus 1 is a factor of 3x to the power of 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. Clear? Let's see third bit. Here first polynomial is x cube minus 3x plus 1. One term is missing. Let us take that term as 0 into x square minus 3x plus 1. And the other polynomial is not in standard form. So one term is missing here also. X to the power of 4 term plus 0 into x to the power of 4 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. So let us divide second polynomial with first polynomial. X cube plus 0x square minus 3x plus 1 is the divisor. X to the power of 5 plus 0x to the power of 4 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. So x to the power of 5 by x cube will become x square. So x square, x cube into x square, multiply whole divisor with x square. X to the power of 5 it will become 0x square into 1x square will become 0x to the power of 4 minus x 3x into x square minus 3x cube plus 1 into x square plus x square. Right? Change the signs. Both will get cancelled. Here also this term also will get cancelled. Now what remained? Minus 4x cube plus 3x cube will become minus x cube. X square minus x square will get cancelled. The other two terms. That means here it will become 0x square plus 3x plus 1. Here what is the first term? X cube by x cube. Minus x cube by x cube. First term is minus x cube, right? So minus 1 it will give. Minus 1 let us write in the place of quotient. X cube into minus 1 will give minus x cube. 0 into minus 1, 0, x square minus 3x into minus 1 plus 3x plus 1 into minus 1 minus 1. So if we subtract, both will get cancelled. Here also plus 3x minus 3x. All the three terms will get cancelled. 1 plus 1 it will give 2. We did not get the remainder as 0. So it's not a factor. Therefore, first polynomial is not a factor of second polynomial. Right? Thank you for watching the video. Kindly subscribe, like and share. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get the regular updates of my classes.